eggs.
What do you have?
An Easter egg.
An Easter egg? Oh my goodness, you found one. Oh, you found another one. Oh my goodness. What's the egg basket for, or the turtle basket right here? Okay, come put it in your basket.
That candy. I want to open the candy.
Yeah, after you find them all, you can open some. Who dropped those eggs off? Did the Easter Bunny come? What's that one?
What's in there?
What's in there? Where'd you put it?
In the basket.
Where'd you put it?
You go find some more. Look, there's more over there.
Oh my goodness, let's go in here. Put it in.
That's a basketball.
It is. It looks like a basketball.
Yeah.
Okay, what's over there by the light?
Another basketball.
Okay, what's that one? A football. Cool. You go hike? Oh, nice. Yep, that's what you do with the football. You go hike. Okay, what's over in the baby swing? What's in the baby swing? Oh, you found another one. Cool. What's that one?